Hey guys, I got a new package in the mail today, finally, and I think I know what it is, but wondering why it came in such a large package. I think it's my Zippo that I ordered, wondering why it came in such a big package, hoping it's also the gas that they said they couldn't send. Big package. Oh yeah, I hear the lighter fluid right there. This means I can start making my Zippo videos and finally start having some videos on my channel besides the 3 that I already have. Okay, I'm just going to tear this open. Done with this. Lighter fluid is hard to send because lighter fluid... Oh, yes, it's my Zippo. And the reason I didn't go and buy lighter fluid, I got it off the internet, was because I wanted a 12 ons lighter fluid packaging instead of 4 because it lasts longer. So I have 12 ons lighter fluid. You can tell because the cap isn't as big as what it looks like if this was 4 ons. And it is pretty big. It's heavier than normal. And this is my Zippo that I got right now. This is a great Zippo. I love this one. It is new. It has the back on it. If you're looking for the Zippo, this is a high polished chrome Zippo. It's called ID, something like that. You can search on the Zippo website. It's under edgy. It has a thumbprint on the bottom, and it has the barcode on the top. And right there, it says, got your... Wait. It says your name or ID number here. And let me take off the tape on the back. Child warning. And when I do all of my unboxing and reviews, I never open the package before I show you. So half of the time I don't know what it is. And here's the sound. It's a nice Zippo. It's a tight, snug fit. And here we go, my giant lighter fluid. That hissed because it hasn't been opened yet and it started evaporating inside of it. Okay, that should be enough. Since it's such a big case, it fills by itself without me having to squeeze the bottle. Oh, let me let it come down to the wick. For some reason it won't burn. I think it's really dry. That's why it's not burning. Here, I'm gonna pour some more into it, and then I'm gonna dab the wick a little bit with it so the wick gets wet. I miss the old smell of... Oh, there we go. It's starting to leak. That means it hit the wick. It's a beautiful flame. Okay. That's my review. It's a nice Zippo. I recommend it. Chrome, high polish. But this is not the Zippo I'll be using when doing tricks. This is just another piece to my collection. my tricks, I will be outside. I recommend you doing the same. Be outside. It is not a good idea to do it inside. If you have carpet, like at my house, it will burn. Because carpet is nylon and it will burn in a flash. Now, this is only going to be 5 to 6 minutes because this is something that everybody owns, a normal Zippo, if you are looking to buy a new Zippo. It's a nice Zippo. I recommend you buy it. It has a big flame. It's very nice. And I do recommend Zippos if you're just buying a lighter, starting to collect, anything. Because you can do a lot of amazing things with Zippos. So, see you next time. Subscribe up above. It's boreazx. See you later.